In this video, I am going to show you how to fix college football 25. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important steps. For this, you have 5 options to consider. Option number 1. Check server status. Ensure the college football 25 servers are online and functioning correctly. Server outages can prevent access to the team builder. Try using a different web browser like Chrome. Sometimes compatibility issue can cause problems. Number 2. Browser compatibility. Disable any ad blockers or browser extensions that might interfere with the team builder. If using Chrome, make sure 3D acceleration is enabled. Number 3. Team name and logo. Avoid using special characters in your team name. Try creating and saving your team without uploading logos or customizing jerseys initially. Number 4. Clear cache and cookies. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve loading issues. Number 5. Contact ES support. If none of the above solutions work, reach out to official ES support for further assistance. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.